Okay, second graders, so today we are just reviewing finding a missing part. And remember, these two right here, these answers right here are going to be the same. You can either catch and count and do the first part, or you can just subtract. So I'm going to catch and count. I'm going to catch 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 5 fingers up. So this is 5, which also means 8 minus 3 is 5. Number 2, I'm going to catch 5 and count up to 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 6 fingers up, so this is 6. 11 minus 5 is also 6. Go ahead and try numbers 3 and 4 on your own. Remember, catch 7, count up to 15. Catch 4, count up to 12. These two numbers should be the same. Number 5, you're going to try on your own. It says Theo has 5 muffins. Ooh, important number. He needs 14 muffins to serve for breakfast. Oh, he needs 14. He already has 5. Which problem can help you find how many more muffins Theo needs? So he already has 5. He needs 14. What's another way to write this problem? And number 6, use the numbers on the cards. Write an addition sentence, and then write a subtraction sentence. Remember, you always start a subtraction sentence with the biggest number. When you are done, you can turn it into the turn-in basket. And then if you have a little extra time during this station, you can get on Freckle Math. If you don't have time, you need to finish this before you move on to the next station, which is the activity. Remember, if you have questions, I cannot help you. You will have to wait until I am done with all my groups.